Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and as we all know that USD JPY was unstoppable. It was really unstoppable, and the current market price is 114.20. It was a huge uptrend on USD JPY. So regarding the trend of the market, there should not be any doubt that this market is in strong uptrend, hugely uptrend. So, as we all know, whether it is stock market, forex, commodity, doesn't matter. The market says follow the trend, and it is the first rule. The basic rule is follow the trend. It means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see on the chart, that USD JPY is the hugely strongly uptrend, so we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And if you look at the chart here, you can see that I have mentioned that 114 to 114.50 is a resistance for the market, and I have found this level from the weekly chart. Let me show you. See, this is the weekly chart, and you can see that previously, okay, this level has been acting as a very strong resistance for the market. It is a weekly chart, and whenever market has reached this level, market has faced severe selling pressure. Okay, but right now you can see that though market is standing at the seller's territory. Okay, resistance means the place of sellers. So though market is standing at the seller's territory, seller's zone, but still USD JPY is not in the mood of going down. And if you just observe the candles here, then you can see that market is still very much strong. Just look at this candle. Just look at this candle. It formed a hammer. It formed a hammer with price rejection from below at the seller zone. So it clearly signifies that buyers are still very much strong on USD JPY, and as a result, shorting the market in this kind of a market scenario is very risky. So I'll request you, follow the thumb rule of the market and only look for buying opportunities. So what are the trading possibilities we have right now? So first of all, the or according to my analysis, what I feel is that the first trading opportunity for us is this level. If market, okay, listen to me carefully, if market crosses the level of 114.50, then we will consider that yes, market has successfully crossed the important resistance and right, market is about to go up again. So if market successfully breaks the level of 114.50 and starts trading comfortably, yes, trading comfortably is very much important, because then only we will get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support. So if market crosses the 114.50 level and starts trading comfortably, then the resistance will be the new support for the market, and we can go for buy order. That is your first trading opportunity. And though market is standing at the resistance right now, still I will not suggest you to short the market, because going against that trend will be very risky. Okay, so the second trading opportunity is buying at 113.23 level. Yes, 113.23 level. Why? Because this is the Fibonacci retracement level of 23.6%. As we all know, market never goes up in a straight line. So if market retraces, okay, listen to me, if market comes down for retracement and bounces from 113.23 level, we can go for buy again, and this will be our second trading opportunity. Yes, if market retraces, also bounces from the 113.23 level, our second trading opportunity. Okay, if market takes support at the trend line here, yes, we also have a trend line coming from the 109 level. Yes, 109 level, and this trend line has been acting as a support for quite some time. So there is a good possibility that in case the Fibonacci level fails to provide support to the market, then the trend line will be acting as a support and market will bounce. So the trend line is your third trading opportunity. So if market bounces from the trend line, you can go for buy. And if these two levels fail, then we have got 112.40. 112.40. This level is very crucial for the market because apart from being the Fibonacci level, it is also a weekly support. Yes, it is also a weekly support. So this is a double support for the market, 112.40, and there's a good possibility of market bouncing from this particular level. So if market bounces from this level, this is also a good buying opportunity on USD JPY. So these are the four trading opportunities that I see in the USD JPY chart. And my dear friends, if you are interested in knowing about the best trading opportunities in the market, just visit my website avilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you will find the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Download the sample here and just see what kind of trades I share with the group members. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood what should be a strategy. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday again.